country can you get gold for 1 rupee? A. No country. B. Switzerland. C. Dubai. Correct answer is A. No country. Where was Lord Ram born? A. Ayodhya. B. Mathura. C. Dwarka. Correct answer is A. Ayodhya. What was printed on Indian currency notes before Gandhiji's photo? A. Ashoka pillar. B. National flag. C. Wagha border. Correct answer is A. Ashoka pillar. Which bird drinks only rainwater? A. Chatak. B. Parrot. C. Cuckoo. Correct answer is A. Chatak. Which country has no cinema hall? A. Saudi Arabia. Earlier. B. Bhutan. C. Nepal. Correct answer is B. Bhutan. Which red planet is visible in the night sky? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. Correct answer is A. Mars. Where does lightning strike the most? A. Venezuela. B. India. C. Indonesia. Correct answer is A. Venezuela. Which is the most intelligent fish? A. Dolphin. B. Shark. C. Whale. Correct answer is A. Dolphin. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Vatican City. B. Monaco. C. Maldives. Correct answer is A. Vatican City. Where is the longest railway platform in the world located? A. Gorakhpur, India. B. Howrah, India. C. Kharagpur, India. Correct answer is A. Gorakhpur, India. Which country has the most number of trains running? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is A. India. Which animal lives the longest? A. Tortoise. B. Elephant. C. Blue whale. Correct answer is A. Tortoise. Which country used the internet for the first time? A. USA. B. Britain. C. Japan. Correct answer is A. USA. Who was the first female IPS officer of India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Kiran Bedi. In which country can 5 suns be seen with the naked eye? A. China. B. Russia. C. Norway. Correct answer is A. China. Where is the Samadhi Memorial of Rani Lakshmibai located? A. Gwalior. B. Jhansi. C. Kanpur. Correct answer is A. Gwalior. Which is the largest city in India? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Kolkata. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. Which country has no rivers? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. Bahrain. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Which creature has no bones? A. Octopus. B. Fish. C. Snake. Correct answer is A. Octopus. For how many years was Lord Rama sent to exile, Vanvas? A. 10 years. B. 12 years. C. 14 years. Correct answer is C 14 years.